While shifting focus to the national capital, after a brief breather earlier this week, Delhi's air quality has once again taken a sharp turn for the worse. Important to understand that the national capital's overall AQI now stands at 352, firmly in the very poor category. This comes as a thick blanket of smog has engulfed the city, severely impacting visibility across key areas. While several monitoring stations have slipped back into the very poor to severe range this Sunday morning. Important to understand that from roads to skylines, the haze is unmistakable. A stark reminder that Delhi's pollution crisis is far from over. On this, my colleague Anushka brings us more. Take a look.
Brief respite earlier this week, the national capital has once again woken up to an AQI of very poor category after the calm wind situation has prevailed in Delhi NCR. We're once again seeing that reduced visibility is a problem that the people are facing once again. We'll pan you the camera to show the visuals of what India Gate looks like today morning. We can clearly see that the visibility is impacted because of the smog situation that can be seen here. Residents across Delhi have woken up to a thick smog which has in fact in turn reduced visibility in many areas. According to data from CPCB, the AQI in Dhaula Kua stood at 252. In Akshardham and Anand Vihar, the AQI has touched 410 and the ITO area, it has been recorded around 379, which falls under the very poor category. If we talk about the collective AQI, today, according to CPCB app, the AQI stands at 352, that is in the very poor category. Weather officials have attributed this spike in pollution to calm wind conditions linked to an approaching western disturbance. And the IMD has said that wind speeds will remain low during early morning hours briefly, which reaching 10 km per hour from southwest later in the day. Now, weather analysts have also warned that a series of western disturbances could keep pollution levels elevated in the coming days. So the people living in Delhi NCR need to brace for the upcoming pollution spike that can be seen because of the calmer wind situation. But also we are seeing that the government has implemented several policies, the GRAP measures that had been implemented. So far we have not seen any of it translate to the ground. But yes, we are seeing people facing double attack, one from the pollution and second of the reduced visibility.